Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my second March Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. And then the items get sent to you for free. You try the items on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to that one item. If you keep all 5 items from the box, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, which makes for a really good deal. This box actually came about a week early, and so it was a nice surprise to go ahead and get it a week early. So I'm excited to see what I've got in my box. Whenever you open up your box, you're always going to see what to do next. You check out online, which is really nice and convenient. You're going to get that prepaid mailer that I talked about, so shipping is free both ways. You're going to put anything that you don't want or any items that you need to exchange in this bag and ship it back through USPS. You get an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 20 for me. And then you also get this Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, and it also has suggestions on how to style the items that are in your box. My stylist is Kara, and I was a little bit worried about that. My box shipped from Georgia, and it normally ships from Pennsylvania, and so I was a little worried that maybe I had a new stylist, but I did get an email from Stitch Fix saying that they had to close down their distribution centers in Pennsylvania and California due to the coronavirus that's going on. So I'm going to read my note from Kara real quick. And it says, "Hi Jennifer, I hope this fix brings you a smile in this uncertain time that we are all navigating. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Things that are certain, your fix will bring a smile as it hits your doorstep, and spring officially begins Friday. Oh, by the way, Niagara Falls was beautiful and my first time. Thank you for letting me know what gaps you have in your wardrobe. I will make sure to continue to find those pieces to spring your closet to life each fix. Now I know this may seem a little dark for spring, but for the maxi dress, I wanted to change things up from your normal floral pattern. I think you're going to look stunning in the Ella dress layered with your new denim jacket. The bootcut pants will go with most of your blouses, and I saw the Saharey top pinned on your board with white jeans. Stay safe, XX Kara." And so here's my style card right there. She did ask me what some of my gaps were, and so I mentioned that I wouldn't mind a maxi dress for Easter, a denim jacket because I don't have one, flats or slip-on shoes, a purse that was spring colored, and then just work blouses and work pants. But that was all before all this coronavirus breakout happened, and so I've been not going to work. I'm a teacher, and so right now the kids are out of school. So this is what my bundle looks like. But I do have this purse, and it says, "This is the Market and Spruce Perry Satchel with scarf detail in coral." And it looks like this. I don't know how I feel about the scarf, but I love the color. It's just a small little purse. Has a zipper on the top. Let's see. Can I get this plastic off? Oh, I can, yeah. And so it has a zipper on the top. It's got a pocket on the inside right here, and then a zip pouch right here. It does have the strap to make it a strap over the shoulder. That is really cute. I just want to know if you can take the scarf off. Not a big fan of that. What do you guys think about that? It's on one side but not the other. So I think I would like it better without the scarf, but I love the color. It's got a little button pocket here, so it's got plenty of pockets and things. I think it would fit most of my stuff. Yeah, so that's really cute. Let's go ahead and get into this bundle. So the first thing on the top is the Rainn Saharey tassel knit top in black. And it looks like this. It's got some pretty colors to it. That coral purse might go really nice with it. It's got kind of a sheer top to it with almost like a little tulip sleeve right there. Oh, that's really cute. It's got the tassels here. The hem is the same length, top and bottom. That'd be a great shirt to wear to work when I get to go back. So yeah, I think I like that. Next is the dress by Wisp. It's the Ella Jersey Maxi dress, and it says it's in burgundy. So it looks like this. Now I do love floral maxi dresses, so this would be the first type of maxi dress like this. But there's the print. I guess it is a really dark burgundy, like almost a burgundy brown, but it's got some blue and some red, light blue, dark blue, a little bit of purple right there. If you look really close right there, there's some purple. It's got that same print down at the bottom here. I'm not sure. We'll have to see how that looks, but she said that would pair well with the jean jacket that she sent. Feels super stretchy and good material. So we'll try that on and see what we think. Next is the Liverpool Kolten denim jacket in blue. And so it's just a kind of a darker denim blue. It's very stretchy. Got the buttons right there. What's that say right there? It says Power Flex. Interesting. I do not have a denim jacket, so I really wanted one to kind of pair with dresses and things like that. Yeah, so that's really cute. We'll try that on with that dress and see what we think. And then the last thing is a pair of bootcut pants. Lila Rainn Jenalyn bootcut pant in navy. And I do not have any navy pants. It's very soft. It says brush sateen. So it's just a really soft bootcut pant. Yeah, so that would be good for work. Very, very soft. All right, so I'm gonna try these items on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with this first top, and this is the Rainn top. Let's see. This is the Rainn Saharey tassel knit top in black, and it is super stretchy, very stretchy, very comfortable. I tied the tassel tie right here. You could leave it open if you really wanted to, but then it folds over like that. But as a teacher, I would probably have to close that up a little bit. It is a little sheer at the top, so you can see my bra straps right there. I like it. Comes down long enough. I just have it on with my jeans right now, but I would probably wear it with black dress pants or black capris. So yeah, here's the print. Like I said, it has green, it has coral, it has blues. So yeah, what do you guys think about this top? All right, I'm gonna try on the pants next. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I left on this top, but I tried on the navy blue pants because this shirt had some blue in it. I left it on just to see what they would look like together. And the pants fit really good. They have pockets right here. They do have pockets back here, but they're like little half pockets. They're not actual like full pockets. The length is really good. I'm 5'10" tall, and so it hits me at a good length. And they are super stretchy, very stretchy. And they fit good in the waist. So yeah, I think these are good. They are so soft when you touch them. And I don't think the top actually looks too bad with the navy pants. What do you guys think? Do you think this goes together? Let me know what you think. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back with this maxi dress, and this is by Wisp. It is the Ella Jersey maxi dress in burgundy. And so I am used to a floral print. I'm gonna get close so you can see. It is a very dark burgundy. I don't know if you can see, almost like a burgundy brown or a maroon. That might be a better color for it. Like when I think of burgundy, I think of more like red burgundy. When I think of maroon, I think of more brown. But it has this band right here. It has a little bit of pleating right here. It does come up high enough under my armpits. The length is really good. It touches like the top of my feet, which is really good. And you can see the print down there at the bottom. There are no slips or anything like that. So tell me what you guys think. This is definitely different for me, so I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think I like it, but I'm not 100%. So let me know what you think. I am gonna get the jean jacket and put that on with it, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with this jean jacket over the dress like she suggested. And this is the Liverpool Kolten denim jacket in blue. And this thing is super stretchy, like I'm amazed at how much stretch is in this jacket. So I put it over the dress. I do think it goes with it. The sleeve length is really good. Oh my gosh, so much stretch. I'm looking for a nice jean jacket. I like the Liverpool brand. What do you guys think about this jean jacket with this dress? It's like a really soft, thin material. But you know, I think it pairs well with the dress. But you guys tell me what you think. I'll be right back to show you that purse a little bit more in detail. All right, so I'm back with this purse, and this is the Market and Spruce Perry Satchel with scarf detail in coral. And I showed this to you earlier, but here is the purse. It has a little magnetic pocket button right there, which is nice. This would be good for slipping your phone into. The only thing I was wondering was whether or not you could take the scarf off, and it looks like you can. I'm not a big fan of that little scarf detail, so I'm gonna take that off. So yeah, that looks better, I think, don't you? And so, like I said, it has another little side pocket right here, has a zip pouch right here, and let's see, you can hook it like that. So you could actually do like that if you wanted to. So yeah, I think that's a really good color for spring. What do you guys think? All right, I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, we are back to talk about prices and to discuss what I think about all the different pieces. And so the first thing on my list was the Lila, Rainn, Jenalyn Bootcut pant in navy, and they are a size 10, and they are a little pricey. They are $88, but they are super soft and super comfortable, and they have a good length, and I have a hard time getting pants. So I do think I'm going to be keeping those. Next on the list is a Liverpool Kolten denim jacket in blue. And it is also another pricey item. It is $88, and that's this jacket right here. And it's super comfortable. It has a lightweight, soft feeling to it, and I think it looked pretty good with the Maxi dress, so I do think it's a keeper. I've been wanting a jean jacket, and so I think this one will do. Next was the Rainn Saharey tassel knit top in black, and that was this top right here, and I do really like this, and it was $58, which isn't too bad for a Rainn blouse, and I do like that one a lot. Next was the Maxi dress. It's by Wisp, the Ella Jersey Maxi dress in burgundy, and it is also $88, and my husband thought it looked good on me, and I think it pairs well with the jean jacket. It is a little bit different for me, but I'm willing to step outside my comfort zone and try something new, and so another $88 item. And then the last thing I have was the Market and Spruce Perry Satchel with scarf detail, but I do think this is a great color for spring. It's not too big and it's not too small, and I do like it for spring, and it was the cheapest item in the box at $48. And so my stylist pick subtotal was a little pricey for me this month. It was $370. The buy all discount of 25% would take off $92.50, which gives me an order subtotal of $277.50. I normally like to keep my boxes closer to $200, so this one's a little bit pricey, but I do have some promo or other credit. I had some leftover credit from my last box of like $25.28, and then I had two people, and I'll leave your names in the description box below. I want to say thank you for using my $50 referral link, and that gave me an extra $100, so I can take off $125.28. Shipping is free, so my order total for the entire box would be $152.22. Let me know what you think about the items I got in my box. I always forget to say to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.